Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add automatic numbering in publisher table. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to add automatic numbering in publisher table. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the insert menu, then click the table option and insert a table. Now we want to add automatic numbering. Select a column, click and drag on our mouse, then go back the home menu and we can see the numbering option. Then click it and choose any numbering. Now I select this. Then zoom in this document and we can see we added automatic numbering this publisher table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.